Imagine an AI that can summarize a 200-page book in minutes, write professional emails, create YouTube scripts, help you code, and explain even the most complicated topics in simple words. Sounds unbelievable, right? That's exactly why millions of people are talking about Claude AI. But is it really good enough to compete with ChatGPT, or is it just another AI trend? In this video, we're going to explore everything you need to know about Claude AI. And make sure you watch until the end because I'll tell you who should use Claude AI and who probably shouldn't. What is Claude AI? Claude AI is an advanced AI assistant developed by Anthropic. It's much more than a simple chatbot. It can help you write articles, generate code, summarize long PDF documents, answer complex questions, brainstorm ideas, and make everyday tasks much easier. Why is Claude AI becoming so popular? People love Claude AI because it can understand long documents, provide clear and natural responses, generate high-quality writing, and save a lot of time. That's why students, developers, content creators, researchers, and business professionals are using it every day. What can Claude AI do? Summarize long PDF files in minutes, write YouTube scripts and blog posts, create professional emails, help with coding and debugging, explain difficult topics in simple language, brainstorm creative ideas, improve productivity, and save time. Claude AI versus ChatGPT. This is one of the most common questions. Both Claude AI and ChatGPT are powerful AI assistants. ChatGPT is excellent for a wide variety of tasks, while many users prefer Claude for reading long documents, detailed writing, and in-depth analysis. The best choice depends on what you need AI for. Is Claude AI free? Yes, Claude AI offers a free plan, and there's also a paid version with additional features and higher usage limits. Now it's your turn. If you could choose only one AI assistant, would you pick ChatGPT or Claude AI? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see a full comparison between ChatGPT, Claude AI, and Gemini, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.